Hello viewers, this is Ajol Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about how you can become a data entry professional with no skills or without having previous experience. As data entry is the easiest way of making money online for beginners, many of you have the interest to be a part of it, and I believe you have got many questions regarding data entry, and from this video you will learn what are the requirements to become a data entry professional and what should you do to get started as a complete beginner. Now let's talk about the first question, which is what are the requirements to become a data entry professional. As data entry jobs are basically about typing, copy pasting, recording information from one resource to another, or transferring information from one resource to another. Maybe it could be copying or typing information from a book to a Microsoft Word document, or maybe the data could be transferred from an online resource to an Excel or a Word file. So the key skills you need are very easy to have. So let's talk about these requirements. The first requirement that you need to have is knowledge of operating a computer. And this is very easy. It could be installing necessary softwares, creating folders or editing file name, etc. into your computer. Okay. And the second requirement you need to have is having basic knowledge on Microsoft Office programs such as Microsoft Word or Excel. And if you know nothing about these programs, please don't worry because I'm going to show you how you can learn basics of MS Office programs in less than 1 day. And you don't need to be an expert in the first stage. You just need to get started, and in day by day while you work, these skills will be improved for sure. Okay, so you don't have to be worried about this. And the third requirement is having basic communication skills in English. Many freshers are really afraid of this part, but seriously, this is not that complicated as we think. If you could understand what your clients are talking about and what they're looking for by reading their written or by listening their verbal instructions, and if you could make them understand your message, that would be all fine to work as a data entry professional. And the fourth requirement is having basic online searching skills. Your client could say, hey, I need a list of top restaurants in Atlanta with their name, website, location, and phone numbers. Then you have to find this information online, which is very easy. And if you need any help, please let me know by commenting below. I'd love to show you the full process as well. And the fifth requirement is a good typing speed, which will help you to get more data entry jobs, and you'll be able to complete the data entry jobs very efficiently in fast time manner. Okay. And the sixth requirement is having some experience. There are some job providers who looks for experienced status. If you have got some experience, it's a plus point, but if you don't, then please don't be afraid. I'm going to give you the idea and show you exactly how you can gain experience of doing data entry jobs without even working on an actual project. Now, let's talk about what should you do to get started as a complete beginner. My first advice would be get basic idea of Microsoft Word and Excel by watching videos available on YouTube. And let me show you what exactly you have to do. Just go to youtube.com and make a search here, Microsoft Word basics or basic, and you will find lots of tutorials out there. And if you watch the first video, as you can see 18 minutes and 28 seconds, you will be able to learn more than enough that you need for basic data entry jobs or entry level data entry jobs. Okay, and same for the Excel as well. Excel basics, same. Okay, just watch this video and you will learn more than enough for data entry jobs that required. My second advice for you is to work on your English skill. Although you don't have to be an expert, but improving your English skill will be helpful for sure. And my third advice is to increase your typing speed. You can type information from your book to Microsoft Word document. The more you will type, the better your typing speed will be. My fourth and the important advice to you would be on how to gain experience and portfolio on data entry jobs without even working on client projects. If you could find someone professional who is working on data entry field in your neighborhood or maybe from any social media site, just reach out to them and ask them if they could help you by providing some sample of works with the instructions. If they help, that's good, and if they don't, please don't worry. I have got other options which I believe you will find helpful. Now, after learning the skills and practicing on some demo projects, when you will feel like you will be able to do any data entry jobs, then please sign up to Freelance Marketplace, find the relevant jobs and apply on them. And at first stage, it could be hard to get your first job very easily, but if you try your best, you will get success for sure. So I believe you have found good information and help from the video, and if it is true, please share your opinion by commenting below. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.